So why is SANOVO training important? To maintain and operate your machine well, so you have less downtime and you make more money. That's it.
At SANOVO Technology Group, we strive to support our customers in the most efficient and beneficial way possible. To achieve this, we have established 3 experience centers across Europe. The newest and most advanced center, located in the Netherlands, offers tailored training sessions for our grading, packing, and loading equipment.
Yes, hello, I'm Gus Norman. I'm a technical trainer here at SANOVO Holland.
My name is Harmian Frans. I'm technical trainer at SANOVO Netherlands.
The SANOVO Experience Center is a training center, but actually more than a training center. We not only train people how to use, how to operate, how to fix, how to clean, how to maintain their machines, but also we give them the physical experience of doing so and the practical experience.
It's a meeting point where we meet customers and inform them in the technical capabilities of their machines. We have more than only online training. We have experience centers where you can actually person to person have a training.
We have an experience center here in Holland. There's also one in Denmark and a third one we have in Italy.
My name is Simon and I am one of the technical trainers here in SANOVO Experience Center, Denmark.
I'm Luca, I'm the service manager of SANOVO Italy and I'm also managing the training center.
We can definitely see that on the numbers we get from the customer after training is higher. We train people in what to look for and how to troubleshoot on their machines in the daily business. Yeah.
We can provide training in pasteurizers, CAP lines, vive cluster, wave system, Aero, UF, all the portfolio of machine we are producing in Italy.
I think this is a unique way to get some qualified people to work on your equipment and thereby ensure that they have the knowledge and the skills to perform.
For our breaking and processing customers, we offer specialized training at our Experience Center in Denmark, while our center in Italy focuses on pasteurization equipment. Together, these locations provide our customers with tailored education and hands-on training for the equipment purchased from SANOVO.
The key benefits of training is to keep in touch with the machine, to learn about the machine parts, learn about names, so that there's a good communication possible between SANOVO and customers in case of any issues.
Your maintenance costs will be lower when you are having a maintenance training. It always pays back. And lowering the maintenance cost, preventive maintenance.
It speeds up your maintenance activities. If you do things on a machine in which you have no knowledge of what you're doing or where you have to go or what you have to do, then it will take, first of all, more time.Maybe you do the wrong procedure, maybe you do a wrong adjustment, and that can cause us even more trouble.
Yeah, and the process in a grader, it's hard to understand from out of a manual. It's hard to read what's going on in a grader. Customers can learn from their failures here without endangering their own machine at home.
So it is always good to send somebody for training, just only to know the machine, the ins and outs, the maintenance schedule of the machine, and to have it done once here at SANOVO. To get to know that machine, you really have to dive in deep into that machine in order to understand how it works and why it works like that. And if you know how and why, then you are able to control it better. And that is a big plus if you have any kind of downtime, because then quickly you can figure out where it comes from and how to fix it.
what I normally experience is that customers coming in are in the beginning very insecure about their machine. And as soon as they start getting more comfortable with our machines, they will be more confident with their machines also. They are less anxious to start a repair on their own machines. And that's what I think that's the best lesson here.